Welcome! If you're looking to declutter your saved posts on Facebook and want to know how to unsave a post using the Facebook app on PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook updates, the process is more streamlined than ever. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, making it simple for you to unsave any post you no longer need. To begin, open the Facebook app on your PC. If you haven't updated your app recently, it's always a good idea to check for the latest version so you have access to all the new features. Once the app is open, sign in if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to find the specific post you saved earlier. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Saved to see your collection of saved content. Scroll through your list of saved posts until you spot the one you want to remove. You can use the filters or simply browse until you locate the exact post. Once you've found the post you want to unsave, look for the three dots located in the top right corner of the post. This icon opens up your options for that particular post. Click on those three dots, and a menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, simply choose Unsave Post. The option is usually near the top or middle of the list and is clearly labeled. Just click on it, and instantly, the post will be removed from your saved list. There's no need for extra confirmation or any complicated steps. The update makes it quick and efficient. That's it. You've now successfully unsaved a post on the Facebook app for PC. Repeat these easy steps for any other posts you wish to remove from your saved items. Keeping your saved posts organized is a great way to make your Facebook experience even smoother. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.